Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and this is episode 3 of my 30-day challenge on how to get more traffic from Quora using Jarvis AI, my virtual assistant that can create human-like content now. All right, so we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna go over some results from over the last couple days, and this is me only posting three times a day with it. So we're gonna go straight into my stats, and over 2000.15 views. All right, and then this is 13 upvotes. And like I said, this is just from me answering questions, not even every day. And I'm getting views, I'm getting traffic to my profile. All right, now I'm gonna go back over here. So we're gonna answer some questions again. Some answer requests that was sent to me. Does blogging make more money than affiliate marketing? Okay. How do I get unlimited sales with ClickBank for free? We're gonna answer this one. We're gonna start off with this one, and we're just gonna copy and paste it. We're gonna go to template, Quora's question answers. Do I get unlimited sales? And put start a YouTube channel or blog. And we'll just leave the tone at friendly, and then we'll generate our answer. All right, and we'll just wait on that come up. Let's see. If you start a YouTube channel, all you have to do is decide which niche to start putting videos up. Use wide variety of software to handle the upload process for your video. Starting that kind of make sure. Building a blog or YouTube channel is a great way to grow your audience. You can offer affiliate links, which allow people to buy ClickBank products through your blog or video. Build up an online presence. Social media creating free time. Starting a podcast of your own. Write about ClickBank, share stories, and engagement. Keep in contact with customers using things like email campaigns and above all else, make sure. Okay, let's see. So we'll just get this one here. Right, and then we're just going to simply answer the question here. Alright, and it's that easy. We just build it up and then post it. Alright, and then we just leave that, and then we go on to the next one. Alright, let's take a look here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go to how do landing page elements ensure conversions. So we could go answer this one, and we're just going to copy and paste it. And then we're going to go here. I'm just going to delete this and then add it. Alright, we'll just wait for that to generate. And we'll just cut that out, and then we'll regenerate it. And it's that easy. All you have to do is just Just put the text in there you want the question, and then just generate it. And then let's see. Well, they could be your headline, text, body copy, or call to action buttons. The point is create the best conversion opportunity by exploring a few options, testing them out. But my favorite landing page element is actually the free ebook at the bottom. Let's go. Let's see. Still have landing page. Your landing is how professional it appears, as shown through both design and language. The second thing people will see is whether you're targeting them with their interest in mind, looking at their browsing history and demographics. And we get them. Offer is against what the person said. Right then, matching up what your offer is against what the person has said. It's a good one. Alright, so we're going to copy and paste that one. And then we're just going to answer it. Alright. Now that was part 3 in the series. Like I said, I'm going to do a 30-day challenge to see if I could get to 10,000 views. Alright, now if you are interested in getting Conversion.ai, also known as Jarvis, for a free trial, go ahead and click on the link below. Thank you for being my channel. Have a good one.